Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am digging a hole for the tree.
I am digging a hole for the tree.
I am planting seeds in the soil.
I am planting seeds in the soil.
I am trimming the hedges.
I am trimming the hedges.
I am mowing the lawn.
I am mowing the lawn.
I am raking the leaves.
I am raking the leaves.
I am harvesting tomatoes.
I am harvesting tomatoes.
I am planting a tree.
I am planting a tree.
I am planting flowers.
I am planting flowers.
I am mixing the soil with compost.
I am mixing the soil with compost.
I am spraying pesticides.
I am spraying pesticides.
I am mulching around a tree.
I am mulching around a tree.
I am checking for pests.
I am checking for pests.
I am transplanting rice seedlings.
I am transplanting rice seedlings.
I am feeding the birds.
I am feeding the birds.
I am spraying the plants with water.
I am spraying the plants with water.
I am grafting the fruit trees.
I am grafting the fruit trees.
I am hoeing the soil.
I am hoeing the soil.
I am harvesting the herbs.
I am harvesting the herbs.
I am tilling the garden.
I am tilling the garden.
I am sweeping the garden path.
I am sweeping the garden path.
I am spreading fertilizer in the wheat field.
I am spreading fertilizer in the wheat field.
I am building garden bed. I am building garden bed. I am pruning the bushes.
I am pruning the bushes.
I am enjoying the beauty of the garden.
I am enjoying the beauty of the garden. Thank Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.